This yellow line is a critical area on the chart. Yesterday, we made a video talking about how the next important area of resistance was going to be the value area high, confluence with the Fibonacci golden pocket, confluence with this support resistance flip right here from the middle of September at around $114,000. And this is where we're going to be looking for two potential scenarios to trade. Scenario number one was a rejection from this area that will actually take us back down to fill the CME gap at $109.3 thousand at the very least, potentially taking out the lows at $107,000. The second opportunity that we were looking for here is actually a back test of $113,000. Why $113,000? Well, take a look at what's happened here. If we zoom out, you can see that the Bitcoin price, after forming a very nice low down here at key support, $107,000, gets a move up, a rejection from the point of control of the range, and now has made a higher low. We have made a higher low. After making the higher low, we have gotten a reclaim of the value area low of the range. Now, what does this mean? This means as long as we can hold above the value area low of the range, probabilities are still highest that we could see a move up to $120,000. Why is that? Well, because this blue line here marks the bottom of the fair value zone for Bitcoin. Anything below this level is considered undervalued Bitcoin. And so if the price comes into undervalued territory and we see a quick buyback, this now becomes very important support. And holding above this level means more upside is most probable. Just like holding above the level here, we were saying upside is most probable, targeting the POC and then the value area high. Now, of course, we did not hit the value area high the first time, but now we have gotten a higher low, maintaining bullish market structure from the initial low. So we could be looking for something like this to happen. And so long as we hold that level, this is very possible. Now you can see we've gotten a rejection from the golden pocket like we were expecting to happen yesterday. And so today, here are the two things that we really need to be aware of. The first thing is make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because we're giving you the quick, no-nonsense Bitcoin T updates every single day. Secondly, guys, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we don't give signals, but we give our setups in advance, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Also, guys, KCEX right now is currently offering an amazing deal. Not only do they have the lowest fees in the game, 0% limit order, 0.01% market order. It's such a great deal. I love this exchange. They're currently doing a 10% deposit boost, up to $21,000 of rewards. All this stuff, check it out. Link in the pinned comment and description. Also, guys, the exchange WEEX, also with the very low fees, and they're currently having a trading competition for everybody who signs up using my link, where you can win up to $1,000 and 5 people get a $100 bonus. Pretty cool. Make sure to check it out if you're interested in trading Bitcoin and altcoins. Also got to shout out BLOFIN, which is currently offering the good old 10% cash back up to $1,000 future bonus, chance to win all these prizes. If you know how to trade. Of course, if you don't know how to trade, stay far away from any exchange. And what you should do if you don't know how to trade is go to the Jason Casper YouTube channel, go to playlists, go to the free trading course, and check out these 18 sessions where I literally lay out the secret sauce for free. So here is what we need to be watching for right now. First of all, we need to be looking for a short trade entry from this area. We have a hidden bearish divergence right here on our 4-hour time frame as the price is making a lower high into key resistance. The momentum waves are making higher highs. If we zoom into the lower time frames here, we can see bearish divergences on the 24 minutes. So what do we need to look for? When New York opens in about half an hour, if we get a retrace here and we come back up to test the support resistance flip around the Fibonacci golden pocket, we need to be looking for bearish signs on our indicators like market cipher B or some bearish order flow to get into a short on a lower high. The second trade we need to be ready to take here is a long from the back test of these highs right here, around $112 to $112.4 thousand. If we come down to that area and we're seeing bullish divergences on our oscillator, this, remember, is a very, very key support. This is the value area low of the range. These are the two trades we should be looking for today, in my opinion, within this local area. Okay, a short from around 114 to 114.5 if we have bearish confirmation, and a long from around 112 to 112.5 if we have bullish confirmation. If we lose the $112.4 thousand level and hold below it, I'd say the probabilities are highest that we come lower. However, if we hold this, we could actually look for a move back up to around $120,000, potentially even one new all-time high. But if we zoom out here, we can see this is our trading range. We're at a very key area, depending on what happens here, is going to determine the future of the Bitcoin price. Be aware of the key levels. Don't try and predict. Wait for a setup, and then when you get your confirmation, execute the setup with good risk management. That is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, and may God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. May He bless you. May He bless your family. And may He draw us all closer to Himself. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!